Hi children, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, The Rabbit in the Moon. Where do we see the moon? Yes, we can see the moon in the sky. When can we see the moon? When can we see the moon? At the night we can see the moon. Sometimes it will be in a very small curved shape. Some days it will be in a large sphere shape. Have you ever noticed a full moon? Look at this full moon. Do you see something like a shadow? What is this? It's looked like an animal. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a rabbit. How did this rabbit get to the moon? Do you know that? There is a story behind it. Let's look at that story. Lesson 1. The Rabbit in the Moon. The Rabbit in the Moon. Look at the picture of the moon here. Look at the picture. It's a moon. In the blank given below, write the name of the animal that you see in the moon. Which animal is seen in it? Which animal is this? Yes, it's a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Write rabbit here. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay. Once there was an old man called Yumi who lived in the moon. An old man called Yumi. What was the name of the old man? Yumi, who lived in the moon. Where did Yumi live? Where did Yumi live? Yumi lived in the moon. The old man decided to go down to earth. The old man Yumi decided to come to earth from the moon. There is a rabbit, a fox, and a monkey playing together. I wonder who is the kindest of all. When he came to earth, he saw that a rabbit, a fox, a monkey playing together. A rabbit, a fox, a monkey playing together. Then Yumi decided to find out who is the most kind. I will change myself into a poor man and then go to test them. Yumi had an idea. He planned to change himself into a poor man and then go to test them. Yumi went down to earth and appeared to the three friends. Yumi went down to earth. Yumi came to earth and saw the three friends. Then Yumi, I am a very old man. I am hungry. Will you give me some food? Yumi told them that I am a very old man. I am hungry. Will you give me some food? The animals felt sad. They ran to find food. When Yumi asked them for food, they had nothing in their hands. They ran to find food. Then our monkey, I found fruits. Monkey came with some fruits. Fox. I found fish. Fox came with fish. I found nothing, said the rabbit. I found nothing. The rabbit could not find anything. The rabbit could not find anything. The rabbit had an idea. The rabbit had an idea. What will be the idea of rabbit? What will be the idea of rabbit? In the next class, we can see what is the idea of our rabbit. Then okay children, see you again in our next class. Thank you.